So we were at Gainesville last week for the last test and tune of the year. I have my race car, which is an '84 Marquis. It's snowballed into all race car from it started as a joke. And then I bought this S197 Mustang. It was going to be just a regular street car, normal car. Next thing you know, we put twin turbos on it. And our friend Kate from McLean Motorsports, her car is taking too long to build. And I said, why don't you go ahead and just jump in this car, let's play with it. So next thing you know, it's got all UPR suspension underneath it. We're testing last weekend and got a little twisty. So here we are.
Yeah, so our friend Brian, he's been a UPR guy for a long time, and this S197 really started out as being just a cruiser, but as he usually does, it's more power, and he has his own car, which is UPR equipped and very quick. So he decided to put Kate from McLean Motorsports in the car. Car goes low tens, but it's really twisted up. This is last weekend at Gainesville. So I'm telling him he really needs to put this anti-roll bar in there. This is our Pro Street anti-roll bar kit for S197 Mustangs. One of the best things about this particular kit is that you can leave it connected full time because it comes with polyurethane bushings. So get everything dialed in. You know, we like the zero preload with the driver in the seat, and you're good to go. I mean, we've had people running 8s in the quarter mile with that exact setup. But one thing that we set them up with as well is the Delrin bushing upgrade, which you can take this exact kit, swap in the Delrin bushings, and then the Pro Street bar acts like a Pro Series bar in the sense that it doesn't allow any body roll at all. It's just dead level, hard launches. So we'll see how Kate does next year in 10.0 class at NMRA. The car definitely is capable of running the numbers consistently. She's got a good suspension setup under the car, and can't wait to see how the thing runs. All right, well, thanks for coming by and picking up the bar. Can't wait to see you next year.
Thank you.
Were you recording that? Because if you are, I'm absolutely splicing it in at some point. Were you really recording it? Okay, all right.
Always be camera ready.